Kuna term that we use a lot, ethi kuzolunga, and it's all good, ukukhuthazana and ukuzikhuthaza by saying kuzolunga. But we have to be careful not to get trapped in that statement and forget that it requires action. Akukho kulunga kungalungiswanga. So let us be mindful and make those decisions that are necessary, no matter how hard. Ukulungisa what needs to be fixed with ourselves, with our families, with our lives, in whatever area. Akukho kulunga kungalungiswanga. Baningi abahambile kulo mhlaba baloku bathi kuzolunga, batshela ukuthi kuzolunga, but we fail to say but it needs action. And sometimes siyalungisa, uyazama ukulungisa kungalungi ngaleso sikhathi, noma kungalungi ngaleyo ndlela ozama ngayo, noma kungalungi kuleso simo ukuso kuleyo ndawo kuyo. It is important to decide over and over again that you will not give up, that you will keep trying ukulungisa until kulunga. Some of us izinto zethu zilunga slow, some of us izinto zethu zi more difficult ukulunga because there's just more. There are just different situations. We come from different circumstances, different backgrounds, different families, different struggles. Our struggles are so different. So ukulunga nokukhanya kwezinto kuyahluka. But it is important to decide that you will not give up and you will keep trying to fix things until something happens. But you push until something happens. Pray until something happens, but pray also uhambe with action. Get up, zama, ngena uphuma, zama le. Don't give up because unfortunately or sadly, abanye spiritual DNA sethu, they are very different. Umunye usuka from really serious bondages zomoya, zenyama, zegazi, zefamily, ze-lineage. So ukulunga kwezinto zethu kwakho kungathatha isikhathi, kwakho kungaba harder than the next person. Just remember that yes kuzolunga, but akukho kuvele kuzilungele. Konke kulungiswa ngokulungiswa, and that requires courage to move, to act, to do what needs to be done. Have a great Wednesday.